Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. And then the first one I'll be introducing is what we all know as because. And because in Yoruba is nítorí. Because is nítorí. And then using it in a sentence, I went there because I want to see. I went there because I want to see him. I went there because I want to see him. In Yoruba is mo lọ síbẹ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ rí i. Mo lọ síbẹ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ rí i. I went there because I want to see him. Mo lọ síbẹ̀ nítorí mo fẹ́ rí i. And then I didn't come because I was sick. I didn't come because I was sick. Mi ò wá nítorí ara mi ò yá. Mi ò wá nítorí ara mi ò yá. And then he ate because he is hungry. Ó jẹun nítorí ebi ń pa á. Ó jẹun nítorí ebi ń pa á. He ate because he is hungry. The next word I'll be using is although. Although in Yoruba is bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé. Although is bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé. Now, although I ought to go, but I won't go. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó yẹ kí n lọ, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò ní lọ. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó yẹ kí n lọ, ṣùgbọ́n mi ò ní lọ. Although he understands Yoruba, but he can't speak Yoruba. Although he understands Yoruba, but he can't speak Yoruba. And then it is bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó ní òye Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n kò lè sọ Yorùbá. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó ní òye Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n kò lè sọ Yorùbá. And then although he hates yam, but he ate it yesterday. Although he hates yam, but he ate it yesterday. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó kórìíra iṣu ṣùgbọ́n ó jẹ lánàá. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó kórìíra iṣu ṣùgbọ́n ó jẹ lánàá. And then the next conjunction I'm going to be taking us is but, as you might have been hearing it in the examples that I use for although. But in Yoruba is ṣùgbọ́n. I went, but it didn't come. I went, but it didn't come. Mo lọ ṣùgbọ́n kò wá. Mo lọ ṣùgbọ́n kò wá. And then they ate, but they weren't satisfied. They ate, but they weren't satisfied. Wọ́n jẹun ṣùgbọ́n wọn kò yó. Wọ́n jẹun ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò yó. They ate, but they weren't satisfied. Wọ́n jẹun ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò yó. And then he slapped him, but he didn't fall. He slapped him, but he didn't fall. He slapped him, but he didn't fall. Ó gbá létí ṣùgbọ́n kò ṣubú. He slapped him, but he didn't fall. Ó gbá létí ṣùgbọ́n kò ṣubú. And then going on, another conjunction we have is unless. Unless is àfi. Unless is àfi. And then unless is àfi, and it's used as you shouldn't go there unless you want to die. You shouldn't go there unless you want to die. O gbọ́dọ̀ lọ síbẹ̀ àfi tó bá fẹ́ kú. O gbọ́dọ̀ lọ síbẹ̀ àfi tó bá fẹ́ kú. And then I won't release the fund until he finish the work. I won't release the fund until he finish the work. Translated as mi ò ní fi owó náà sílẹ̀ àfi tó bá parí iṣẹ́ náà. Mi ò ní fi owó náà sílẹ̀ àfi tó bá parí iṣẹ́ náà. And then he won't go unless I wave my hand. He won't go unless I wave my hand. That is, kò ní lọ àfi tí n bá juwọ́. Kò ní lọ àfi tí n bá juwọ́. He won't go unless I wave my hand. Kò ní lọ àfi tí n bá juwọ́. And then the next conjunction I will be teaching us is since. Since is níwọ̀n ìgbà. Since níwọ̀n ìgbà. Then using it in sentence, since I see you, I can be at peace. Since I see you, I can be at peace. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tí mo ti rí ọ, mo lè wà lálàáfíà. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tí mo ti rí ọ, mo lè wà lálàáfíà. And then you shouldn't come since you said you will wear white. You shouldn't come since you said you will wear white. O gbọ́dọ̀ wá níwọ̀n ìgbà tó ti sọ pé aṣọ funfun ni ó wọ̀. O gbọ́dọ̀ wá níwọ̀n ìgbà tí o ti sọ pé aṣọ funfun ni ó wọ̀. You shouldn't come since you said you will wear white. O gbọ́dọ̀ wá níwọ̀n ìgbà tí o ti sọ pé aṣọ funfun ni ó wọ̀. And then since you are the tallest, níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló ga jù. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ìwọ ló ga jù, since you are the tallest. And then going on, another conjunction I'll be taking us on is if. If, and if in Yoruba is ti. So if you come, let me know. Tí o bá wá, jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Tí o bá wá, jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. If you come, let me know. Tí o bá wá, jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. And then it will come if you come. It will come if you come. That is, ó máa wá tí o bá wá. Ó máa wá tí o bá wá. And then he will eat if I give him. He will eat if I give him. And then translated as ó máa jẹ tí mo bá fún. Ó máa jẹ tí mo bá fún. And then another conjunction I'll be explaining is yet. And yet in Yoruba is síbẹ̀síbẹ̀. Yet is síbẹ̀síbẹ̀, and sometimes can just be síbẹ̀, but I'll use síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ and síbẹ̀. It can be síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ or síbẹ̀. It's still the same thing as yet. So let me use it in a sentence. I told him, yet he didn't do it. I told him, yet he didn't do it. Mo sọ fún, síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò ṣe. Mo sọ fún, síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò ṣe. Yet he didn't listen. Yet he didn't listen. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò gbọ́. Yet he didn't listen. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò gbọ́. And then I killed it, yet it didn't die. I killed it, yet it didn't die. I killed it, yet it didn't die. Mo pa, síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò kú. Mo pa, síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ kò kú. And then another conjunction I'm taking us is also. And also in Yoruba is bákan náà. Also is bákan náà. So also, don't forget. Bákan náà, má ṣe gbàgbé. Bákan náà, má ṣe gbàgbé. Also, don't forget. And then he will come and also bring his friend. He will come and also bring his friend. Ó máa wá, bákan náà, yóò mú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ wá. Ó máa wá, bákan náà, yóò mú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ wá. And then also it saddens them. Also it saddens them. Bákan náà, ó bà wọ́n lọ́kàn jẹ́. Also it saddens them. Bákan náà, ó bà wọ́n lọ́kàn jẹ́. And then another conjunction I'm using is very common, which is and. And in Yoruba is àti. So he and me. He and me. He and me. Òun àti èmi. He and me. Òun àti èmi. He and me. Òun àti èmi. And then go and collect the plate and the cup. Go and collect the plate and the cup. Lọ gba abọ́ àti ife náà. Go and collect the plate and the pot. Lọ gba abọ́ àti ife náà. And then the teacher and the principal. The teacher and the principal. Olùkọ́ni àti olùkọ́ni àgbà. The teacher and the principal. Olùkọ́ni àti olùkọ́ni àgbà. And then the next conjunction I'm using is before. Kó tó di pé. Before in Yoruba is kó tó di pé. So before you go. Kó tó di pé o lọ. Before you go. Kó tó di pé o lọ. Wash the plate before you go. Fọ abọ́ náà kó tó di pé o lọ. Fọ abọ́ náà kó tó di pé o lọ. Wash the plate before you go. Fọ abọ́ náà kó tó di pé o lọ. And then he slapped him before pushing him. He slapped him before pushing him. Ó gbá létí kó tó di pé ó tì. Ó gbá létí kó tó di pé ó tì. He slapped him before pushing him. Ó gbá létí kó tó di pé ó tì. And then the next conjunction I'm using is after. And after is lẹ́yìn. After is lẹ́yìn. It will come after you leave. It will come after you leave. Ó máa wá lẹ́yìn tí o bá lọ. It will come after you leave. Ó máa wá lẹ́yìn tí o bá lọ. And then it rained after the thunder. It rained after it thunder. Ó rọ̀ lẹ́yìn tí àrá sán. Ó rọ̀ lẹ́yìn tí àrá sán. Àrá is thunder. After all the discussion. Lẹ́yìn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ náà. After all the discussion. Lẹ́yìn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ náà. the next one I'll be taking out, the next conjunction is until. Until is titi, until is titi. So I will wait until he gets here. I will wait until he gets here. Mo máa dúró títí yóò fi dé bí. Mo máa dúró títí yóò fi dé ibí. I will wait until he gets here. I will wait until he gets here. Mo máa dúró títí yóò fi dé ibí. Mo máa dúró títí yóò fi dé ibí. I will not eat until I see him. I will not eat until I see him. Mi ò ní jẹun títí tí màá fi rí. Mi ò ní jẹun títí tí màá fi rí. Until I receive the money. Until I receive the money. Títí tí màá fi gba owó náà. Until I receive the money. Títí tí màá fi gba owó náà. And then the next conjunction I'm taking on is whether, which is bóyá. So I don't know whether to eat rice or beans. I don't know whether to eat rice or beans. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá kí n jẹ ìrẹsì tàbí ẹ̀wà. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá kí n jẹ ìrẹsì tàbí ẹ̀wà. I don't know whether Skittle loves me. I don't know whether Skittle loves me. I don't know whether Skittle loves me. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá Skittle fẹ́ràn mi. I don't know whether Skittle loves me. I don't know whether Skittle loves me. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá Skittle fẹ́ràn mi. And then give him whether he pays or not. Give him whether he pays or not. Fún bóyá ó sanwó tàbí kò sanwó. Fún bóyá ó sanwó tàbí kò sanwó. Give him whether he pays or not. Fún bóyá ó sanwó tàbí kò sanwó. The next conjunction I'll be taking us is or, which in Yoruba is tàbí. So take it or you leave it. Mú tàbí kó filẹ̀. Mú tàbí kó filẹ̀. Take it or you leave it. Mú tàbí kó filẹ̀. And then it may rain or not. It may rain or not. Òjò lè rọ̀ tàbí kó má rọ̀. Òjò lè rọ̀ tàbí kó má rọ̀. Òjò lè rọ̀ tàbí kó má rọ̀. It may rain or not. Òjò lè rọ̀ tàbí kó má rọ̀. And then touch it or hit it. Touch it or hit it. Fọwọ́ kàn tàbí kó gbá. Fọwọ́ kàn tàbí kó gbá. Touch it or hit it. Fọwọ́ kàn tàbí kó gbá. And then the last conjunction I'll be taking us is neither or and nor, which means bẹ́ẹ̀ni in Yoruba. Neither and nor. Both of them means bẹ́ẹ̀ni in Yoruba. Of course, bẹ́ẹ̀ni is also yes in Yoruba, but we use it in the same way we use neither and nor in the Yoruba language. So it is not mine nor yours. Kìí ṣe tèmi, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kìí ṣe tìrẹ. It is not mine nor yours. Kìí ṣe tèmi, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kìí ṣe tìrẹ. Kìí ṣe tèmi, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kìí ṣe tìrẹ. Kìí ṣe tèmi, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kìí ṣe tìrẹ. I won't eat it and neither will you. I won't eat it and neither will you. Mi ò ní jẹ ẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ náà ò ní jẹ ẹ́. Mi ò ní jẹ ẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ náà ò ní jẹ ẹ́. I won't eat it and neither will you. Mi ò ní jẹ ẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ náà kò ní jẹ ẹ́. Mi ò ní jẹ ẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ náà ò ní jẹ ẹ́. Mi ò ní jẹ ẹ́, bẹ́ẹ̀ni ìwọ náà ò ní jẹ ẹ́. And lastly, it's not here, nor is it there. It's not here, nor is it there. Kò sí níbí, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí níbẹ̀. Kò sí níbí, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí níbẹ̀. It's not here, nor is it there. Kò sí níbí, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí níbẹ̀. It's not here, nor is it there. Kò sí níbí, bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò sí níbẹ̀. So that's it for conjunctions in the Yoruba language. You know, there's actually a video that I highly recommend that you see, and that's the first person, second person, and third person in the Yoruba language, because there's no way you will speak any language in the world without understanding the basics of the first person, second person, and third person. I will put the link to the description of that video in the description below. I highly recommend you to watch that video. You might see that a lot of jargons are there, but just pick what you're able to pick now and then watch it over and over again, and then you'll be more perfect. If you understand that video very well, the first person, second person, and third person, it will actually put you on a very good track to understanding Yoruba, and it also make all other lessons that I'm going to be taking on this channel make sense to you, and including this lesson as well. So please kindly support me by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much. See you now in that video.